What is going on, you guys? I'm Mr. Influenced, and in today's video I will be talking about my strategy on investing in 2020, what I think the best way to invest in 2020 is, and what I'm personally going to be doing so I have the biggest outcome by the end of the year. So let's get right into it. So I'm Mr. Influence. For those that don't know, I make videos about finance, crypto, Bitcoin, all of that good stuff. And yeah, so let's first take a look at the Bitcoin chart. So right now Bitcoin is currently standing at $6,600. We had a pretty big fall, just like everything else. The Nasdaq went down like crazy. I've been talking about this in all my past videos. I've been saying the stock market's ready to go. And honestly, if you took any of my advice, I'm not a personal advisor. I put out whatever my opinions are on stuff. And yeah, I've been saying that the stock market's ready to go, and so far we plummeted down like crazy. Same thing with gold. Gold took a dip, but as you can see, it's bouncing back up. If we look at the 4-hour chart, it's bouncing back up pretty well, but Nasdaq isn't. Yeah, you could pretty much say we are in the start of the recession already, and I think it's a great time to tell you guys my strategy on investing in 2020. So let's get right into it. So first off, what I'm doing is still buying Bitcoin. I'm gonna be at cost averaging in, buying the dips because I think Bitcoin will do the best out of everything. But also, I do want to start getting into stocks. Now, I want to start getting into stocks now while Nasdaq is falling like crazy, because of course you want to buy, as a smart investor, you want to buy when stuff is down, not high. Why would you buy high? Like, you see what happens when you buy high. Like, for example, if you bought here, you're like, oh shit, like Bitcoin's doing so, Nasdaq's doing so good, the stocks are doing so good, I'm gonna invest. I've seen so many people make videos that they're investing so crazy, the Robinhood accounts are going up so much, and now they're down like 50%. Yes, that's exactly how it goes. If you buy the tops, you're not gonna end up doing good. So I'm cost averaging into Bitcoin. As you guys can see, we're getting a nice little bounce back. As of right now, I do not want to currently say, as long as we stay above the 6,000 range, I think we'll be pretty good. Also, the 200 EMA is what we want to watch on the hold on, let me just get it opened. On the on the weekly, the 200 EMA is what we want to watch. As you guys can see, we went below that, but we bounced right back above it, so it's a great sign for Bitcoin. Unlike the Nasdaq, the thing is, right now my strategy would be to start opening accounts to get ready to buy stocks that are valuable and that are gonna have a good run after this whole stock market bubble is done crashing. You know what I mean? So my strategy for that is using Webull. So Webull is a trading platform where you can trade stocks and Bitcoin and all of that good stuff. And if you guys open an account to I don't know until when it is, but if you open an account now, you get a free stock between $2.50 to $250 just for signing up. And if you deposit any amount under my link, which I'll leave a link in the description, you will get a second free stock between $12 and $1,400. This is not a scam. This is just how they pretty much, this is their marketing method. Instead of them spending millions of dollars on marketing and advertisements and all this, they rather give somebody a free stock, and somebody else will tell them, let's say their family member about it. They're going to get a free stock. Now they have somewhere to obtain stocks at. And yeah, so if you guys click the link in the description to sign up for Webull, you will get a free stock today between $2.50 to $250, which is amazing. I already got mine. Mine was COVID. It was worth like $3 at the time, but it dropped all the way to 50 cents because I completely forgot about it. And then if you deposit any amount, of course, you will get between $12 and $1,400, which is freaking amazing. let me show you guys how Webull looks. So this is the Webull trading platform. Let me just maximize this real quick. Oh, I can't maximize it through that, so we'll maximize it this way. So as you guys can see, just like anything else, you can go, you see how much Bitcoin's moving, you see a quick chart right here, stocks, bam, you got a nice chart. It's a overall great platform. Now, I'm not going to get into showing you guys how to use it or anything, but I would say to get this app so you guys can get ready to start dollar cost averaging into stocks that are going to do good in the future. For example, Tesla. I think Tesla will be a great one, because once that Cybertruck comes out and people get their hands on that, they already have an electric car that's the cheapest car out there, which is the Model 3, I believe, which you could get for as low as like $30,000, which is amazing. So I think they're going to be here for the long run. Others like Apple, stuff like that, you want to slowly start getting into it. And also yesterday I did some research on the coronavirus. I hope you guys are all doing well. Comment down below if you guys are all right, everything. I was doing some research and I found this company, AYTU, which you can see right now is actually about to go right now as we're making this video. So I was looking into it, and they are releasing 100,000 coronavirus tests. So pretty much kind of like a pregnancy test. You will get a test, and I think you get a cotton swab or whatever, and you can check if you have the coronavirus. And this is a company from Colorado that is pretty much, look, it's at $2 already. Is pretty much the first to make this type of test. So I looked into it. They have a stock ticker and everything, and I thought it would be a great idea. And what do we have here? In a matter of, let's go to the 4-hour chart. If you guys can see, it went all the way from 33 cents to $3. That is a huge jump, and now we had a big dip from it. So this is personally a stock that I'm getting into. I'm already in on a different account. And yeah, you just have to, as you can see, we're doing really well right here. But yeah, Nasdaq's dropping, but that does not mean that it's gonna be dropping forever. Right now, money's getting pumped into it and everything. It's probably gonna see a little bit of a bounce back because of that, but not so much. This bubble has been going on for too long. It's been getting pumped since 2008. It's been way too long. It's unsustainable. Yeah, so my investment strategy for 2020 is dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, holding my Bitcoin like I have. Yeah, basically my main investment is still Bitcoin, and I just want to start expanding into the stock market, slowly getting those stocks that I was never able to get my hands on because I didn't want them because they were up so much. So once we see some more legs down in the stock market, that's when I want to start dollar cost averaging into stocks like Tesla, Apple, Amazon, all that good stuff. GoPro possibly. You just got to do your research, see what's out there, see what's going to do good. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. Just wanted to show you guys my strategy for this year and what I'm going to be doing. Yeah, man, Bitcoin is king really in stuff like this. And when we saw the whole stock market crash and everything, we saw a big drop in Bitcoin, a huge drop. It went from $9,000 all the way to $3,800, which basically just followed all the other markets. But what I think happened, because if we look over here, gold went down, but if we look at palladium, which is another metal, let me see, is this the, let me just go to Google. If we look at palladium, it's also a metal. Hold on, let me go to the graph. Okay, so my theory is, if we look in the last 6 months, right, my theory is that what the investors on Wall Street, what I think they were doing was getting into palladium, because in 2008 they got into gold. That was their safe haven. I think they thought that palladium was going to be it. So it went, in a matter of a year, went from $1,300 all the way to almost $3,000, right? And when the stock market crashed, when we had that big wick down, you can see palladium went down like crazy, all the way back down to $1,400, which is insane. So my theory is that they went into this, they thought this was going to be their safe haven, but really nobody else was interested in it. So that's out of the picture. Now, that's why I had the gold chart up, because I'm keeping track of the gold chart as well. And you can see that, where are we? Come on. I don't want to make this video too long. Sorry about this, guys, but I don't do no editing. This is straight raw. I don't BS any of you guys, any of that crap. So you can see now gold is bouncing back. They might be thinking, okay, let's get into gold. Gold is gonna save us. Gold is always a safe haven, and yes, gold always keeps its value because it's rare. But I think they're slowly starting to realize that Bitcoin is really that safe haven, that real safe haven, because of how strong, how much power it has, how much future it has in it, how much potential it has. And I think honestly, once people start realizing, that's where they're gonna start putting their money, and that's where we can see those ridiculous numbers of $100,000 Bitcoin or even more. I personally think that Bitcoin will one day reach over $1 million per Bitcoin, and that's why I will always be dollar cost averaging until a certain point. I think any price under our $20,000 high of 2018 is a great price to buy. So I will keep sticking to that theory. Yeah. So 2020 investing strategy, dollar cost average Bitcoin, slowly start looking into stocks. And yeah, let me know what stock you guys get. If you guys sign up for Webull, let me know in the comments what stock you got from opening an account. And if you deposit any amount, let me know what you got as the second free stock. Let's see if anybody can get the $250 stock or the $1,400 stock. I personally got a $3 stock, COVID or something like that. My stepfather got Santander, which is worth like $270. But hey, it's a free stock. Why wouldn't you want free money? So sign up below. Let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I will be making a video every single day and releasing it at 3 p.m. every single day. Hope to see you guys here. I'm back full time. Let me know how you guys are doing in the comments below. See ya. Peace out.